Okay, before we get started, I definitely want us to pray. The prayer is one of the things that I used when we were teaching live. I just think it's such an interesting component in the sense that you need prayer to get through this. You know what I mean? It's not like you're just gonna like pick up on Kreyòl in 5 minutes. And if you're someone who's like, I don't pray, I totally understand if you completely want to skip this, but I'm putting this on here for people who are like, I want to pray, I want to get through this, and I want to pray every time before I do the lesson. It's also going to teach you some words that you may actually need, if you're doing any sort of work in Haiti related to a church or anything like that. So it'll be useful to you even if you're someone who in particular you just don't pray, just to know the words or to understand what someone's saying. Like if someone is saying God or if someone's saying help, those are in here, okay? So the very first prayer is for the person who's learning Kreyòl because of a family member. You're adopting from Haiti, you're married to a Haitian, or you're dating a Haitian, or you have friends in Haiti that you feel like they're family, and that's why you want to learn the language. So the prayer is basically, God, help me learn Kreyòl so I can speak with my family. The prayer is from this book, the Learn Haitian Kreyòl with Gloria book, which you got from Amazon or HaitianGloria@yahoo.com. You can email me for a copy of the book. So basically, and remember to review it on Amazon. Haitian authors were always saying we don't get reviews from people, so definitely review us. So basically, the prayer is, God, help me learn Kreyòl so I can speak with my family. Okay, so that's the second prayer on page 1 of the book. Again, if you have a different workbook, one of the older ones, you just go to the prayer. All right, it's the very beginning of the book. So I'm going to say it at regular speed, and then I don't want you to repeat it after me the first time. Then I'm going to break it down and have you repeat it after me, okay? Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. Now I'm going to say it for you to repeat it after me. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. Now I'm going to give you a little bit more. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to not break it down so much, okay? Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. Now I'm just going to say the first line for you to repeat after me. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka. I'm going to repeat it again. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka. Parler ak famille moi. I'm going to repeat that again. Parler ak famille moi. Now I'm going to repeat the whole thing again. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. I'm going to repeat it again because language is learned through repetition, okay? Okay, be patient with me. Bon Dieu, aidez-moi apprendre Kreyòl pour m'ka parler ak famille moi. Now, some of you are not learning Creole for that reason. You're learning because you're going on a trip. You probably just go once a year. You're dropping off supplies. You're wanting to learn Creole because you feel like you are there to help the people of Haiti. Okay, and I don't mean like a handout. Obviously, like to help relationally, to help with physical needs, while other needs are being met. Okay. All right, just making sure you don't take me the wrong way. Now, you know that first line, bon Dieu aide m'apprendre créole pour m'ka, but the second line is different. This is the one where you're saying help people in Haiti. Okay? Aide moun na Haiti. Don't repeat that yet. Now I'm going to say it for you to repeat it after me. Aide moun na Haiti. Now I'm going to break it down. Aider moun nan Haiti. I had to give you some neck motion for that, okay? We're going to do Haiti again. Haiti. That Y-I is going yee. Okay? It's the same I as the T. Okay? Haiti. So I want you to keep repeating after me, okay? Aide moun nan Haiti. Haiti. When I use my voice inflection, it's because I am just wanting to emphasize the sound so your brain can remember it. It's not because we walk around saying Haiti all the time, okay? Because we're not like Haiti, okay? So anytime I'm using my voice inflection, it's to trigger your brain and help you to remember things, get those synapses going, okay? So now I'm going to say that whole prayer. God, help me learn Creole so I can help people in Haiti. Bon Dieu aide m'apprendre Creole pour m'ka aide moun nan Haiti. I'm going to do it again, okay? Bon Dieu aide m'apprendre Creole pour m'ka aide moun nan Haiti. And like I always say, before you download the videos, give thumbs up. Give those thumbs up if you have it. If you don't have something, go back. Now, when I say have it, what I'm saying is you understand the concept. You are hearing it clearly. You don't have it memorized, but you're like, I get it. Okay, I'm hearing, I'm repeating, I'm getting the instructions so that now I can download it and be able to do this. I'm so excited. You just prayed. It's going to be answered. You're going to be able to do this. Guys, you're going to do great.